Here are 8 astonishing I am affirmations for love, wealth, happiness, and you can see change in your life within 24 hours. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying, of course, in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, on this channel, we absolutely believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the happiness and health that you depend upon. I mean, don't you agree? Of course you do. That's why you're here. Listen, I further believe that the universe has called you here because change, massive change, is happening in your life. And these affirmations I'm about to share with you are going to help you. They're going to help you facilitate the positive, optimistic, loving, abundant change that's coming into your life. I believe you and I are here together for a reason. So be sure and stick with me, because at the end, I'm going to give you a special bonus affirmation that I think is more powerful than all the affirmations in the world combined. So high flyers, when we start off an affirmation with the word I am, it reminds us of the story of Moses. And Moses is on top of the mountain and he sees this burning bush, which is God. And he says, "Who are you? What is your name? What do I call you?" And the bush replies back, "I am that I am." Now, esoterically, it really means I will be what I will be. Now, understand that the metaphor of that story applies to your life. You will be what you will be. Whatever you choose to be, whatever kind of life you choose to live, is the life you will live, because the God force energy of the universe flows through you. It's not merely in the bush over there burning. That's just an expression of what's already inside you. So high flyers, as I said a moment ago, I believe that you're here for a reason. And I believe that these affirmations are the key to incredible, wonderful change in your life. Take the time to write down each affirmation and make it a part of your life. Now, I know what you're thinking. There are other videos that have music, and we have some too, with affirmations on them. Why not just listen to one of those? And they're powerful because they do have an effect on the subconscious mind. But until you speak it, you're not going to achieve it. You must believe it and you must speak it. And then you will achieve it. Achieve whatever you desire. The relationship you desire, the money you desire, whatever it is. Happiness, health, travel, you can have it all. There are no limits and there are no boundaries. So high flyers, always remember that this is your journey. This is your journey. And these affirmations I'm sharing with you today, I've personally used. They will make your journey easier and happier. The first affirmation is, I am magnetic, attractive, and desirable. What a wonderful feeling to be desirable, to have other people desire your company, your input, your participation, to be magnetic, to be able to attract the one that you desire, into your life for love. This affirmation is incredibly powerful, and it's easy, magnetic, desirable, attractive. You know you are. You just need to speak it, and you need to remind yourself of it on a daily basis. The second one, high flyers, is I am rising higher and higher in vibration of love and positivity. You see, when you have love and positivity in your mind, in your heart, in your energy field, you become a magnet for all the wonderful things that you may desire in your life. You may be wondering why you're not attracting something right now. Could it be that you're not expressing love and positivity? High flyers, I think if there's any affirmation that I use the most, that I recite every day, it's this one. I'm worthy of ever increasing love, money, and happiness. Are you? Of course you are. So say it. Say that you are worthy. So many people today feel unworthy. They don't feel worthy of a relationship. They don't feel worthy of being wealthy or having money. They don't feel worthy of being happy. You are worthy. Why are you worthy? Because this is your journey. This is your time. You were chosen, or you chose this moment to be here. You are worthy. Oh, I love that affirmation. Can we say it together again? I am worthy of ever increasing love, money, and happiness. So high flyers, my dear friends, beautiful souls, I'm reminded in the Bible of this simple sentence where Jesus says, I am the light of the world. And I think he's reminding you that God force energy, the universal energy, is light, it's hope, it's belief, it's wonder, it's creative powers. And so this simple affirmation is so powerful. Just simply feel connected with the God force energy of the universe. Let it pour through your body and simply say, I am the light. I am the light. And you are the light in your world. You are the light in your own life. And when we say light, we're saying positivity, optimism, wonder, joy, happiness, abundance. You are the light. Let it shine. Let your light shine. Number 5, I am living a healthy, abundant, loving relationship. It's healthy and it's abundant and it's filled with love. Well, high flyers, gratitude is a huge key to manifesting anything you desire. How about this one? This is an important affirmation. I am grateful for all the goodness flowing into my life. I am grateful for all the goodness flowing into my life. I love that affirmation. Number 7 is, I am open to my soul and I follow its direction. You know, most people spend their time following the direction of their friends or TV commercials or Twitter ads. But I am open to my soul. I listen to my soul. And I follow my soul's direction. And finally, I am attracting my dream future each and every day. I am attracting, it's always happening, it's constantly in motion, my dream future. And it's happening each and every day. Now I want to share with you an affirmation that is not an I am affirmation, but if you will say this 3 times a day, every day, you will experience remarkable, unbelievable change in your life. Just simply think about yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror or hold yourself and say to yourself, I love you. I love you. I love you. High flyers, you're going to be shocked at how powerful those 3 words are. Here's some other videos I know will help you on your journey.